thunderstorm warning for Wisconsin until 1:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:46 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Footville, or 8 miles west of Janesville, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Milton, Edgerton, Clinton, Orfordville, Footville, Fulton, Leah, Tiffany, Shopier, Johnstown Center, Afton, Emerald Grove, Hanover, Indian Fort, Avalon, and Cooksville. For your protection, to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm